What you playing there, little boy? Welcome, guys, to Bendy Boys Vlog. Another awesome episode. But today, we are at the or somewhere where there's water. Hoover Dam! Dun, 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 dun. We're at the Hoover Dam, so we're gonna try to look for our parents. Dad. Yeah, you're playing Chicken Scream. Chicken Scream, I don't think.
White, red.
Joel, stop playing and help. Guys, if you see a white car and a white car, just leave it in the comments below. How many? Okay, today's challenge: how many white cars are in this video? A lot. What? Some of them. So I'm leaving. Some of them are coming. It's a giant new bridge. Maybe if cars over there.
Yes, I'm walking across
Just to say this place open or closes at 7, so apparently can't do it. It's 3, 4, so let's see how good this place is. Wait, what the? Might have to see you in a moment. Okay, there's security, and I don't think I want to run into security. So I'll see you in a minute. Okay, there he is. Hey, baby. Okay, he's over there. See? He's where is he? He's over there. He's over there. See? Bye, guys.